In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up TeamGate CRM and give you a quick rundown of its key features. If you're looking for a CRM that's simple to use and has some solid customization options, this might be the one for you. Stay tuned till the end because we'll also talk about some alternatives that might be a better fit depending on your needs. First, let's dive into the setup. After signing up for TeamGate, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You can see your pipeline, sales stages, and all the key information you need to manage your deals. Setting up your pipeline is the first thing you'll want to do, and this is actually really easy. You can customize your sales stages to reflect your specific process, whether it's lead generation, qualification, or closing the deal. Next thing, let's look at adding contacts. You can either add contacts manually or import them directly from your email provider or other CRM tools. This is really handy if you're switching over from something else, or if you just have a large contact list to work with. Once you have your contacts added, you can categorize them into different segments based on your sales process. The third thing you'll want to do is integrate with other tools. TeamGate integrates with email, calendars, and other third-party applications. It's essential to connect your email so that you can track communication and ensure your outreach is organized and streamlined. The integration process is pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be connected in no time. Another thing to consider is task management. You can create tasks for yourself and your team, assign them, and set deadlines to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. You'll also be able to track each team member's progress on tasks, which is useful when managing a larger sales team. Moving on, let's talk about reporting. TeamGate provides basic reporting and analytics, allowing you to track the performance of your sales pipeline. This includes data on conversions, deal value, and sales velocity. While it's not the most advanced reporting system out there, it can give you a good overview of how your team is performing. Next, let's talk about pricing. TeamGate has several pricing tiers, so you can choose the plan that best fits your business needs. While the basic plan offers good features for small teams, it's worth considering the higher tier plans if you need more advanced automation or reporting. However, while TeamGate offers some solid features, it might not be the best option if you're looking for more in-depth automation, more complex reporting, or greater scalability. This is why I'll be mentioning an alternative CRM tool that could be a better fit for certain business goals at the end of the video. The fourth thing, let's talk about support. TeamGate does offer customer support through various channels, but some users have reported slower response times, especially during peak hours. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth considering when comparing to other CRMs that have more responsive support teams. Now, before I wrap this up, let me mention an exclusive benefit for you. Through our link in the description, you can get an extended free trial for TeamGate CRM that's only available to our viewers. But here's the kicker. There are some alternatives out there that I personally recommend if you're looking for more advanced features and better scalability. I've put those alternatives in the description as well, and they come with their own free trials. So, if you want to try out TeamGate CRM with our exclusive free trial or explore the alternatives, make sure to check the links below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you get started with TeamGate CRM.